is Kevin, my neighbor, and he told me that they know how to hypnotize a rooster. Ready? So you hold him like this. Watch Tooster's body. Watch this. Watch his body. Oh my gosh. Watch. He's totally fixated on the line. Watch. He's asleep. This is just like when they're roosting. How long will he stay like that?
A few minutes. Sometimes they'll stand up and stare at it and then lay down on the
If we erase the line, will he wake up?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
Is he gonna peck me? Oh my gosh, if you erase the...
I think it's really weird that they stare at it. It's like he's lost in space. Here he comes out of it. Not quite out of it, right?
The line in the dirt works with hens too. Now erase the line, Nana. Now slowly, from the back going forward. Okay, well, huh.
Is she all the way hypnotized?
Might be. There she goes. She is revived.
That is weird.
That is totally weird.
Oh my god.
These are really official. It's chicken hypnosis.
She is.
So first you take a chicken's head, you put it nice and tightly under the wing, like so. I didn't do that to its feathers. Okay? Then you bring them in a circle.
Hold it nice and tight.
It's coming out. Ready? I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck.
He's out cold. Look at he's just breathing away.
Little blanket for the little chicken. I claim this circocoli.
Hey, get up.
The end. Alright, ready?
This is Justin drawing a line in the sand
And now the chicken is hypnotized by the line and cannot get up. It cannot move. It's hypnotized. It's still not getting up. Yeah.
De humano.
¿Humano?
Humano ya.
Yeah, I just want to show everybody I've showed this that I've never seen it before. I'll show everybody how to hypnotize a chicken. They're going to sit down and put their head on the table. Sometimes you got to get them, they get a little wound up. You got to force them to stay down there. You take your finger and draw a line out. Not that far. Get ready to wake them up. Just like that.
Chicken hypnotism that I got in the book for my birthday, the Book of Immaturity. Hello, 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 look. Oh yes, look. Oh, think subtle and serene chicken thoughts. Think about life in a coop full of chickens. Think deeply. Breathe. Breathe. Be a good chicken. Remember that there's more to life than eggs.
Unbelievable.
So now the chicken is hypnotized.
This makes me crazy. Oh my god. Wait, can you snap it out?
Yeah.
Alright.
What I do is I turn it back over.
Can I try snapping it
Yeah,
out?
you can.
Okay.
There you go. Good job, Christopher.
You know what the irony is of that? It's most when you hypnotize people, that you make them be a chicken.
Here you go. Oh my god.
Dead.
Wow. This is kind of stupid.
He's just so cute. He's like dead though. Looks like he got violated or something. Gonna wake up? Come on, Donnie. You gonna wake up, Donnie? Looks like he's breathing hard. Damn it!